Alright, efficiency and saving energy. So incandescent light bulbs are designed to convert electric energy into light energy. So incandescent means glowing with heat. So these bulbs produce light when electricity flowing through the filament makes the thin wire white hot. Some of the energy is converted into light, and a lot is converted into other forms of energy, especially thermal energy. If anyone's ever tried to replace a light bulb without waiting an excessively long time before unscrewing it, you will notice that that light bulb is extremely hot. So efficiency is a measure of how completely input energy is converted to accomplish the desired output energy. So we need to keep in mind that this is desired output energy, not just how completely input energy is converted into output energy, because that would be 100%, as we know from before with looking at the conservation of energy. This is strictly talking about desired output energy. So back to incandescent light bulbs. Comparing them to fluorescent light bulbs, they produce about the same amount of light. Incandescent light bulbs produce more heat. In this case, thermal energy is not the task, so is not the desired output. Therefore, incandescent bulbs are less efficient than fluorescent light bulbs because so much of that energy is converted into heat rather than light. So efficiency can be expressed as a percentage. For example, if a motor is 80% efficient, 80% of the input energy is converted to do the intended job. So that is moving the car, where 20% of the energy is wasted, and in this case that would probably be things like thermal energy or sound energy. So you can determine the efficiency of an electrical device by dividing the useful energy output by the total energy input and then multiplying by 100. Efficiency is always expressed as a percent. Keep in mind that nothing is 100% efficient, okay? Because there's always waste energy that is not actually doing the intended job. So there's our calculation. Percent efficiency equals useful energy output divided by the total electrical energy input, and then we times it by 100 in order to get a percentage. So it pays to be efficient. Using less electricity not only saves us money, but also saves the environment. So in Alberta, most electricity is generated using fossil fuels, and the most common of which is coal. As coal burns, it produces carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrous oxide gas. These are waste gases and released into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide has been linked to global warming, so less electricity used means less harmful emissions, which means a better environment. I have a cute little stat here I thought was very interesting. It takes approximately 325 kilograms of coal to generate enough electricity to keep a 100-watt light bulb on for 24 hours a day for 365 days. So that's almost a kilogram of coal a day in order to keep that light bulb running. Just a little fun fact for you. Thanks for listening.